In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view browsing history in Mozilla Firefox. If you ever need to revisit a website you've previously opened, Firefox makes it easy to access your browsing history. Whether you're trying to find a page you viewed earlier today or a website you visited several weeks ago, the browser includes built-in tools that help you quickly locate your past browsing activity. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view your browsing history and where to find additional history management options. To get started, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the Application menu located in the upper right corner of the window. This menu is represented by 3 horizontal lines. After opening the menu, select History. You'll immediately see a list of your most recently visited websites, making it easy to reopen pages you've accessed recently without having to search for them again. If you're looking for older browsing activity, select the Manage History option at the bottom of the History menu. This opens the Firefox Library window, where your browsing history is organized in a much more detailed view. From here, you can browse your history by different time periods, including today, the last 7 days, the current month, or previous months. This organization makes it much easier to locate websites you visited in the past. If you have a large browsing history, you don't have to scroll through every entry manually. The library window also includes a search feature that allows you to search your browsing history for specific websites or keywords. Simply enter what you're looking for, and Firefox will filter the results to help you find the correct page more quickly. If you also want to remove some of your browsing history, Firefox provides a couple of different options. Return to the Application menu, select History again, and choose Clear Recent History. A window will appear where you can choose how much history you want to remove. You can clear browsing data from the last hour, the last 2 hours, the last 4 hours, today, or choose a broader time range if needed. For additional history settings, open the Application menu once again and select Settings. In the search box at the top of the Settings page, type History. Firefox will display the available history-related options, including the Clear History button, where you can manage and remove your browsing history using the available settings. That's all there is to it. Viewing your browsing history in Mozilla Firefox is simple, and the built-in history management tools make it easy to find previously visited websites or clear your browsing history whenever you choose. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,